Welcome to this Arabic learning video. Today I will write with my hands simple Arabic words, as you can see, with their English meanings, and at the end we will use them to build a sentence together. So let's learn Arabic one word at a time. Okay, let's talk about food. الطعام. الطعام. How to say these words in Arabic. And then, of course, so that you would not forget the words, we will use them into a context. Let's go. Apple in Arabic is tufaha. Tufaha. How to write it? Two. This is ta. This is harf al-fa letter, of course, so that we can say fa, so tuf, fa with alif. So now we pronounce it fa. Tufaha. Tufaha. This is ha. Ha. And then we have a ta. A ta is at the end. We pronounce it like ha. So tufaha. Tufaha. Or tufahatun. Okay? Now, al-harakat, the vowels. Of course, as you already know, in Arabic we don't have vowels like O, A, okay, I, like you have in English. No, in Arabic we just put al-harakat, as we are going to do now. This is ta, we put a dhamma, then it becomes tu. Al-fa, with fatha it becomes fa, and then with alif, fa, and al-ha with fatha, ha, tun. But this is tufahatun, fa. But we have already said it, that it's tufahatun, tufa. We have a stress on al-fa. So how to express this stress? We just write here a shadda. It's like 3, okay? But it's looking upside, as you can see. Tufahatun, okay? Apple, tufahatun. Bread. How about bread? Bread, many of you knows it, of course, I know. So in Arabic we say خبز. حرف الخاء, حرف الباء, حرف الزاي. And then al-harakat, the vowels, خو with dhamma, like two. خو, b, it's sukun. And zun, like tun, zun. خبز. خبز, bread, خبز. How to say milk? In Arabic we say حليب. الحاء letter, اللام letter, الياء letter, and then الباء. This is حليب. Now we put the vowels ha with fatha, ha. Li, so it needs kasra, so that we pronounce it li. And with ya, li. And this is bon, like zun and tun. Halibon. Yes, repeat with me. Halibon. Good. If you still have a problem in al-ha letter, try to give it some time, okay? Halibun. Good. Now, how to say I eat or I have when we are talking about a meal, of course, about food. So we say أتناول. Of course, you already know the word آكل. I know. آكل. You can say آكل. Okay? Okay, how to say I eat or I have. In Arabic we say أتناول. الألف letter, التاء letter, النون letter, then الألف letter, الواو, and then اللام. أتناول. Now it needs vowels. أتناول. Of course, we use these harakas, the vowels, just for beginners, okay? So that we help them to know or to figure out what word is it, okay? But for advanced learners, they don't need these harakat. Without them, they can read the word, okay? And even the books. Okay, now we repeat. Apple, تفاحة. Yes, تفاحة. Bread, خبز. خبز. Milk, حليب. حليب. I eat or I have. أتناول. Yes, أتناول. Perfect. Now what are we going to do so that you will not forget these words? We use them in a context. So how to say in English, for breakfast, I eat an apple, bread, and drink milk. So we simply say, في الفطور في الفطور في الفطور أتناول. I have, okay, here we have a comma. أتناول what? تفاحة. أتناول تفاحة. وخبزا, so we have فاصلة, comma. وخبزا and bread. وخبزا فاصلة. وأشرب الحليب and drink milk. و means and. وأشرب أشرب الحليب. Full stop. For breakfast, في الفطور. في الفطور or في الفطور, okay? أتناول تفاحة. I eat or I have تفاحة, an apple, okay? وخبزا and bread. وأشرب الحليب and drink milk. وأشرب الحليب. Yes. Now try to repeat it by yourself. في الفطور أتناول تفاحة وخبزا وأشرب الحليب. Yes. في الفطور أتناول تفاحة وخبزا وأشرب الحليب. Perfect.